there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. Video. I'd like to do one on Samsung, and this will work for any of their Samsung Galaxy phones. I'm sure there are other phones too as well in the Android lineup, but this one specifically is on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it's how to do and everything about screenshots. So in my world, I use the screenshot at least once a day, if not multiple times. I use screenshots a lot. And I want to get into the different uses of the screenshot and what you can do with it. There's also different ways of taking the screenshot, which we'll get into in another video. So for this sake of this video, I want to do just the simple volume down and power button to take a screenshot. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to take a screenshot. Bang. So now at the bottom, you see the bar. You see the actual. It's going to go away quick, so we're going to do this quickly. I'll have to talk. So you see the actual image. You see draw. We'll just do this multiple times is all. You'll see add tags. You'll see share, and you'll see delete. Okay, so for now, if we hit the actual screen icon, it's going to take us to the picture. If we hit the draw, it's going to come up in this. Okay, this is your draw icon. I'm sorry, your draw screen. And in here, we can draw things. For example, we'll take a circle, and I'm going to press and hold that, and it'll make it a perfect circle. You can mark up on here. You can do the pen, press and hold, and you're going to get different pen styles, different thicknesses of the pen, your different colors, bunch of different colors. So all kinds of drawing, favorite pen mode. I have that one set to my favorite pen mode, so every time it comes up, it's going to go to that. But that's your draw, and you have a fountain pen, calligraphy pen, probably pencil. This is the one I use the most, calligraphy brush, mosaic pen, and highlighter. So you can highlight things as well. So like I said, I use this one the most to mark up anything if I do. And again, if you want, you can do a circle like this, or if you do a circle and hold it, it makes it perfect. Same goes with a square. If I make a square, press and hold it, it's going to make it perfect. If I want to do a triangle, press and hold, it'll make it perfect. So that's an extra feature as well. Okay, so then after that, we can do an eraser, which erases the things we just did. We can go back one again, or forward. So you can go back and forward. You can share it to your different contacts, or you can just save what you have and be done with it. Okay, so I'm just going to save it and be done with it. Okay, so that's one of the things. Let's take another screenshot. The next one is tags. This one is if you want to search for the picture later on, you'll have tags in it. So this is an app, and I could put like Stellarium. There's already a Stellarium app. So I could put app for stars. App, S-T-A-R-S, and add that. So now the next time I'd search for a picture with that in it, up it would come that particular tagged image. Okay, so here's the next option, is just simply sharing it. You can share it with all your contacts. That's pretty straightforward. I don't want to tap it because I have all my contacts in there, but that's how you share it. And then another one is just simply delete, so it's deleted. Now, here's one you need a bigger screen on, and this one I use quite a bit also. So I'm gonna open Samsung browser. Okay, and we're just gonna go with, let's just open Google here. New tab. That's good enough. Okay, so as you can see, there's more to this screen than just one screen. So in the olden days, when we didn't have this feature, you would have to take a screenshot, scroll down, take a screenshot, scroll down, take a screenshot. Okay, there's a new feature now with this embedded in the screenshot app, that when you take the screenshot, you see this arrows that go down, scroll capture. So I'm going to tap that, it scrolls down. I'm going to tap it again, it scrolls down. So you're actually getting and recording what you're taking scrolling down. I could go all the way if I want. I'm done with just that, so I'm going to tap that. We're going to go to the gallery, and there it is. There's the screenshot that I just took, it's called a scrolling screenshot. So this comes in really, really handy as well sometimes if you have something more than just a simple one screenshot and you want to take a long one. You take the screenshot and then you can scroll, capture, and you can keep going all the way to the bottom if you want, or if I'm done with just that, I just stop there, tap the image, and there it is. I'm done. Okay, finally, one more thing we'll go over. At the bottom of this, you see go to website. This is really neat. So I've just taken a screenshot of this. You tap this, go to website, it automatically opens up the website that you just took the screenshot from. So let me demonstrate that again. So for example, let's go to I don't know, let's say Amazon. So let's go to Amazon. Okay, I'm going to take a picture of something here. Let's say that MRE house, mountain house creation, whatever that is. I'm going to take a screenshot of it. Took the screenshot. We go to the picture, and it says now, this is just the screenshot. This is not in, we're not in the browser. Okay, it says now go to, let's close everything, and I'll prove that I'm not in anything else here. So let's go to this. Let's go to the browser. And then we'll go to this. We're going to take one quick screenshot. We go to that screenshot. We say just once for gallery. And now there, right there, says go to website. So I go to the website, and there I am to the website that I took that screenshot. It keeps track of it. Really awesome, handy feature. Again, built into the screenshots. So that's basically everything there is about the screenshots, except for how to enable them different ways, which I'll go over in an upcoming video. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.